So first you're going to take your backing plate number 1, put your zip tie through, and feed it into this part of the grill, and make sure it clips in nicely. Remove the zip tie, and do the same for backing plate number 2. Now take your front plates, start off with the right bolt, hold the backing plate so it doesn't fall, and thread it into the brass insert. Use your Allen key to tighten it up a little bit. Once slightly snug, move to the other side, insert your Allen bolt into the brass insert, and tighten. Now you're able to align the plate either up or down, whichever way makes it look more straight. And then tighten. Do not over tighten these. It's on there. Now you can grab your license plates and install. Use a 10mm to tighten. And you're all done.